To stretch open your upper body, so your neck, tight shoulders, tight back, I recommend a pose called puppy pose. I'll do a quick demo. So for puppy pose, what you'll do is start in tabletop position, which is this pose, where my body is in the shape of a tabletop. And then from here, rather than sinking your hips back like how you might do in child's pose, you'll keep your hips on top of your knees. So I wanna keep my hips exactly where they are. And then from that position, slide my hands forward and rest my forehead down to the ground. So from here, you can choose how far you want to stretch your hands forward. You could take your arms out wider if you've got really tight shoulders to create more space. It's just finding the opening across your upper body as you lengthen your chest forward with your hips still on top of your knees. So I recommend holding that for just about a minute to open your upper body.